What are y'all doing, girls? I'm about to check for eggs. I want to see. Oh, we got some eggs. Oh, this one's a little round. We got 4 of them. Somebody hadn't laid today? Huh? Nobody laid today? Look how pretty my lilies are. It is raining. Definitely pouring down. Waiting to head back in, but the rain is not dying down. I know, girls. It's gonna be okay. Alright, now I got the chicken coop cleaned out, and now about to go in. Alright guys, y'all have a nice day. See you later. Bye guys. Have a great day.